Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can design and modify twisted fibers in FreeCAD using a Python script, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to show the Python console here, okay? And to do this, you need to go to View, then you go to Panels, then you click on the Python console, okay? So as you can see here, this is the Python console. Right click, clear console. You need to get something like this. Next, you click on the link mentioned in the description box below to get this code, okay? Once you get this code, click Ctrl A, then Ctrl C, then paste the code in the Python console like this. Then wait for a few seconds until you get the twisted fibers model, okay? So right click, fit all, then as you can see here on the screen, this is the twisted fibers design. If I click on the bundle path reference, which is this one, this circle, then hit the bar space to hide it. Then I'm gonna do the same thing for the bundle center line. Then I will get the 6 fibers, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say that I want to get only 3 fibers. I don't want to have 6 fibers. So how to do this? You come back to the code, okay? Then here you have the possibility to change these parameters. The number of fibers, so we have 6 here, 6 here. Then we have here the fiber radius is 3. You can change it also. The bundle radius, the twist length, the total length, etc. Let's say that I want to change the number of fibers from 6 to 3, and also I want to change the total length to 100, okay? Then I'm gonna click Ctrl A, Ctrl C, then I'm gonna come back to the Python console, right click, clear console, close this, right click, clear console, right click, then paste. Then I'm gonna wait for a few seconds, right click, fit all. Then as you can see here, I have only 3 fibers and the total length is now 100 millimeter, okay? According to these values, the number of fibers is 3 and the total length is 100 millimeter, okay? So this is how you can edit and create new design in FreeCAD using a Python script, okay? So let's say that I want to save this new design. And how to do this, okay? All that you need to do here is to select all these bodies, then File, then Export, then you can change the name of the file and you can save it as a step file. Then you click on Save, then OK. So now let's say I want to open this file in CATIA, okay? So I'm gonna drag and drop this new step file in CATIA. Then as you can see here on the screen, this is how it looks like. This is the first fiber, the second one, and the third one. And thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer channel. Thanks for watching.